I hired an attorney and I got denied. Can't believe it. Common question, different variations of it. This one is from in our Facebook group this week. But I want to address the concept of hiring, who to hire, when you should hire, what you can expect from them, in hopes that this will help you in your approval process to get through and not have some false expectations. I want to preface that by saying a lawyer, an attorney, a non-attorney representative, they all fall into one strategy of helping people get approved. And I say strategy, meaning that any of them, regardless of how good they are, it's really challenging for them to win if you don't have the right evidence. So if you go to somebody and they're not doing 35 cases a month, which is kind of like the benchmark to be good at this, and you hire them and they take your case, well, you've hired a lawyer, attorney, or representative, are they going to be able to get your case approved? No. If you don't have the right evidence, they're not going to be able to. So here's a few things for you. The fundamentals are on you of properly communicating to your doctor your limitations and confirming that those are in your medical records so that they're easy to see, and then quantifiable measurements, like I can only sit for 15 minutes, I can only stand for 20 minutes. And then if you have that in place, then that gives somebody the fundamentals from a representative standpoint to see that there is evidence in there that they can leverage to help you get approved. And then they can layer on other things and strategies and briefs and communication with Social Security to do all that. But absent of that, it's really difficult. And here's the other thing. When you are hiring or considering hiring somebody, I strongly urge you to understand what should be done so that you know that they're doing what needs to be done to front load your case, coach you on your evidence, get everything in place so you can get approved. Otherwise, they're just sitting on your case. And I'll share this with you. We have been blessed with growing and we've been hiring people, and people have come to us that have been working for other disability representatives out there. And so one of the questions when they get down to the final interview stage, and I meet with them, is I ask them, what were you doing in your prior job at the early stages to help people get approved? There wasn't any one of the candidates that I interviewed that was doing anything like evidence development, limitation communication, residual functional capacity reports. Most will take the case. You feel comfortable because they're your lawyer. They're going to write it out, go to a hearing, and take a shot at it. It's unfortunate, folks, but please, here's how we can help you with that. If you want to use somebody else, we're built to definitely help you out here at the Disability Digest. When you join us as a member, you speak with somebody, we put you into our disability approval course. You can follow that. If you want to hire another representative and make sure they're doing all that, that's fine. But I would encourage you to take a look at the resources that we provide you as a representative if you are looking for representation, because we do all of the front loading things. And if there's others out there that are doing steps that we're not, we don't mind adding them. Our interest is to get your disability benefits approved as fast as possible so we don't have to go to court. There's a lot of reasons for that. So that's my long rant on the attorney thing. I hope you find this helpful. For more resources, look around the video, follow us in our social media, of course, but come join us as a member. It's no cost, and you can get access to people and support groups in the course that I'd referenced that can help you out. Make it a great day.